6.1 first question. In figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 and BOD is equal to 40, find BOE and reflects COE. Now look at this figure. So it is given AB is a straight line, another line cutting that one, CD. Okay, they intersect at O. OE is a ray. Now it is given AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. Now we know that AB is a line, another line is cutting, so this plus this will be 180, linear pair. Now 180, two angles when you are taking, that will be 180. So AOC plus COB equal to 180 you can take, but COB is equal to BOE plus EOC, you can write like that. If you want you can write, otherwise directly we can write AOC plus COE plus EOB is equal to 180 degrees. So first one we are going to write like that. So we know that AOC angle plus COE plus BOE, that is equal to 180. But we know that AOC plus BOE equal to 70. So here AOC plus BOE is equal to 70, that means 70 plus angle COE equal to 180, or COE equal to 180 minus 70. Okay, we are getting here COE, but in your question it is given you are to find out reflex angle of COE, that is this one is COE, this angle is COE, that is 110. You are asked to find out reflex angle, that is the remaining angle. So reflex angle of COE, that is equal to 360 minus 110. 360 minus 110, that is equal to 250. So reflex angle of COE is equal to 250. Now next one you are find out BOE. BOE you are asked to find out. Now BOE, how will you find out? Now look at this one, CD. CD is a straight line. One another line is cutting that one. So COE plus EOB plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So COE plus EOB or BOE, that we are to find out. No? Then BOD, that is equal to 180 degree. And what is COE? COE is equal to 110. BOD is equal to BOE you are to find out. And BOD is equal to, BOD is given 40. That is equal to 110. So BOE is equal to 180 minus 40 plus 110, 150. 180 minus 150, that is equal to 30. So BOE is equal to 30. So how we find out that one? First one we took as AB as a line, another line CD cutting that one. So AOC plus COE plus BOE equal to 180. Now AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 they have given. So 70 plus COE is equal to 180 or COE is equal to 110 you will get. Now you are asked to find out reflex angle. So you have to subtract that 110 from 360. So reflex angle of CO is equal to 250. Now to find out BOE, you have to take the line CD. So COE plus EOB plus BOD will be equal to 180 degree, or 110 plus 40 plus this one is equal to 180 degree, or BOE is equal to 180 minus 50, that is equal to 30. Okay. Now second one, in figure 6.14, the lines XY and MN intersect at O if POY is equal to 90, A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2 is to 3. You are asked to find out C. Now look at here. First one, XY is a line. Now another line is cutting that one, that is MN. Now one ray is there, OP. Now this one is A and B. This one is C. You are asked to find out value of C. Now look at this one, XY is a line, OP is a perpendicular, that is 90 degree. So XOP plus POY is equal to 180 degree, linear pair you will get. Which one it is? XOP plus POY is equal to 180 degree. Angle XOP plus POY is equal to 180 degree. Okay, POY is equal to what? 90 degree. Our XOP is what? XOP is equal to A plus B. This angle XOP will be equal to A plus B. So A plus B plus 90 is equal to 180, or A plus B is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90. So you are getting A plus B is equal to 90. Okay. Now it is given they are in the ratio 2:3. So A is to B is in the ratio 2:3. So A you can write as 2x and B you can write as 3x. So 2x plus 3x, that is equal to 90, or 5x is equal to 90, or x is equal to 90 divided by 5, 18. So x is equal to 18 means A will be 2 into 18, that is 36, and B will be 3 into 18, 54. Now our aim is to find out C. B plus C will be 180. Why? MN is a straight line, XY is cutting that one. So B plus C will be a linear pair. So B plus C will be 180. Reason you can write linear pair. So B is equal to 54. 54 plus C is equal to 180, or C is equal to 180 minus 54. So 180 minus 54 8 4 7 and 2, no, so 126 you will get 126 C you will get. So how we have solved that one? First started with XOP plus POY is equal to 180 degree, that you can write as linear pair. Reason, now POY is equal to 90, it is given. XOP will be equal to A plus B. So A plus B plus 90 is equal to 180, or A plus B is equal to 180 minus 90, 90. Now A and B are in the ratio 2:3, so A will be 2x and B will be 3x. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 90, or 5x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 divided by 5, 18 you are getting. Now A is equal to 2 into 18, 36. B is equal to 3 into 18, 54. But we know that B plus C is equal to 180, linear pair. MN is a line. Now the line XY is cutting. So B plus Z will be 180. So B plus B is equal to C is equal to 180. 54 plus C is equal to 180. Or C is equal to 180 minus 54, that is equal to 126 you are getting. Now let us discuss third one. Third problem is in figure 6.15, PQR is equal to PRQ. Then you have to prove that PQS is equal to PRT. Now look at that figure. ST is a straight line, and you are getting a figure like this. Now this one, angle PQR and PRQ both are equal. So it is given angle PQR equal to PRQ, that is this angle and this angle is equal. Now you have to prove which one equal. You have to prove PQS, this angle is equal to this one, you have to prove. Now PQR plus PQS will be equal to 180. Why? ST is a straight line, PQ cutting that one. These two angle together will be 180, linear pair. So let us write that one. PQS plus PQR is equal to 180, or PQR is equal to 180 minus PQS. Okay, PQR is equal to 180 minus PQS. Now here let us mark this one as 1. Again look at here, ST is a straight line, another line cutting. This one PRQ and PRT also will be 180, linear pair it is coming. So let us write PRQ plus PRT is equal to 180, or PRQ is equal to 180 minus PRT. Now it is given PQR is equal to PRQ. So this two equal means this two will be equal. So 180 minus PQS will be equal to 180 minus PRT. Okay. So if you are taking this one side 180 minus, so PQS minus PQS will be equal to 180 minus PRT minus 180. So 180 will get cancelled, minus PQS will be equal to minus PRT, or both sides negative you can cancel. PQS is equal to PRT. This much is enough because we are subtracting same thing from the 180. Both sides 180 will get cancelled. This much is enough. Then we can directly write PQS is equal to PRT that way also. So how we started? We started with the linear pair property, that is PQR plus PQS is equal to 180, or PQS is equal to 180 minus PQR. Again second one, PRT plus PRQ is equal to 180, the same property, linear pair, or PRQ is equal to 180 minus PRT. Then equated that two equations and we got the result like this.